blackboarding and we are whiteboarding.
Whiteboard.
Do you see his face?
Is this new?
Ha ha ha. Alright, so go ahead and take a look at these. One of the questions on your test will ask you to do trig with just letters. So you're not solving anything, you're just trying to make sure you pick the right ratio. Yeah, in function. Very good. Good word, Kenneth. Alright, so let's do the sign of B. The sign of B. On your whiteboard, I want you to write what the sign of B is.
Can we use the formula charts?
You can use the formula charts, yeah. Or SOHCAHTOA. Thank you. Thank you.
What do we do?
Sign of B.
Sign of B.
Was it the buses? They were like
Or is it really
No. Yes.
So what do we do, Miss?
Tell me the sign of B. Yes. So sign is opposite over, that's better, hypotenuse. Opposite over hypotenuse. So it would be Z over Y. So there's the sign of B. Okay, do the tan of B on your board. Tan of B. First one, good job, Kaylee. Good job. Try again.
the first two.
Yep. Dimitri, tan of B. Tan B. There we go. Yes. Matt tried to use a angle in his proportion. Try again. Paige, what's tan? What do we do for tan? Opposite over what? Adjacent. I'm like collecting these same words today. So the tan would be opposite over adjacent, which would be Z over X. Let's do the last one. Let's do sign of C. We're changing up the angle. Is that okay with everyone? Sign of C. So I'm going to erase these letters because these letters don't work anymore. Sign of C. Yep. No. Yep. Very good.
The answer's in sequence.
The answer's in the sequence?
Yeah, as in like they're in order.
Oh, were they in the order the whole time?
Yes, the whole time.
Very good to know.
Wait.
What'd you get? Opposite hypotenuse. Yes, X over Y. They were in order the whole time. Imagine that. All right. Solve for X. Hi, good morning. I'm collecting these. I have 4 already. I'm so rich. I'm rich with tardy passes. So I've never done this to you before. I gave you 2 angles.
Yeah.
So what do? Is that freaking you out? Or are you okay with that?
No, I don't like it.
What you need to do is you just need to pick one, you need to circle it, and you need to ignore the other one. Which one would y'all like to pick?
20.
Well, pick whichever one you want, but I heard that first. If you want to use the 20, you can use the 20. With trig, you can use any angle you want, except for the 90. You can't use the 90 degree. But don't be confused when I give you 2 angles. Circle any one you want and just X out the other one. It's always a decimal, but this one's a pretty one. My 5th one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good, Torin. Yeah, 0. Good. Yes, very good. Kenneth, what'd you get? How long is it? Keep going. Dimitri, what'd you get? Very good. Kendall, what'd you get? John, what'd you get? Julius, get a whiteboard.
I got 674.
I can't see that page. You need to write it on your whiteboard. No. Did you pick sine, cosine, or tan? Cosine, very good. Cosine of the angle equals adjacent over hypotenuse. Very good, very good. Good, okay. Denominator divide, very good. 13 divided by, thank you, cosine 70. So you're not going to freak out tomorrow when they give you 2 angles instead of 1,
What if I
right?
just do them both?
Louis, come sit up here. Don't sit way back there. I know John took your seat. Come take John's seat. Come on. Come on.
Hey, Miss, what if I just do them both?
What if you do them both? You will get 38 both times.
Okay.
Just
That's
check.
what I would do. I would just do
Next problem, go. Hey, if this is, hey, boys, John's going back to his seat. Don't be talking about getting in shape. Unless the shape you're talking about is a right triangle shape.
You're silly.
Nearest whole number.
I don't know by heart.
Okay, do you want to use a formula chart or something total?
Go get your own.
Yes, yes. Hi,
I need my calculator.
did you know that this is my 6th one this morning? Sixth one. Oh, yes, yes, yes. The answer is the degree at which water freezes.
Go get your own calculator.
0.
The answer is the degree in Fahrenheit at which water freezes.
32.
Good job, Dimitri.
Yay.
Wait, why'd you put 30?
32.
Cosine of x equals adjacent over hypotenuse.
Use a cosine over the -1 and the other.
Very good. I know, it is too easy. You're right. Hey, I need y'all's attention real quick. There's too much talking. I need to say something about the test tomorrow. Normally, multiple choice on a test helps you. Tomorrow, I'm afraid that the multiple choice is going to confuse you a little bit. So I need to show you the different forms the answer choice could be in. Tomorrow, sometimes the question is going to say, what's the setup for this? Not what's the answer, what's the setup? You might see in the multiple choice, you might see this, cosine of x equals 68 over 80, or you might see this. Do you agree that this is equivalent to this? They're just different steps of the problem. Here's step 1, here's step 2. This could be your answer, or this could be your answer. You're going to see it both ways. Do you have a question about how your answer might look? Yes, thank you for asking.
Okay, but if it's too low,
It can't have both of these, because these are both the correct answer. I'm just showing you the different ways it could look. Okay? So you might see this as a choice. This is okay, this is correct. Or you might see this as a choice. You won't see them both, because they're both correct. Okay, good. Try this one. Go. Remember, don't freak out when I give you 2 angles. Choose whichever one you want and X out the other one. I'm ready when you are. Let's round to the nearest 10th. 1 decimal place. Very good. That wins. Ooh. No. Yes. Round to the nearest 10th. 1 decimal place. Yep. It's not 10. It's not 10 because you've got the hypotenuse. Yes, yes. You rounded wrong, but that's the correct answer. Yes. Melanie, which angle did you choose to work with? 59. Chose to work with that one, so we're going to ignore that one. So what trig function did you choose? Sine. Very good. Oh, that rhymes. Sine 59 equals 22 over x. Nathan, multiply or divide? Denominator divide. Very good. 22 divided by sine 59. Catherine, what was the final answer? 25.7. The 6 tells the 6 to go up. 25.7 was the final answer. When you're solving these, you can always check to see if your answer is reasonable. Is that answer reasonable? How should this number compare to this number? It's got to be larger because it's the hypotenuse. Ava and Kenneth. Maybe I did.
What are we rounding?
Same, nearest 10th, please. First one, second one, very good. Uh-huh. Opposite over adjacent. Switch that. Opposite over adjacent, put an equal sign. Yes, yes. Just smaller than that. Yep, yep.
Is that right?
Rounded wrong. To nearest 10, so round again, yes.
Whatever. Same thing.
At first you got 7.8.
Okay.
Whatever.
Lucy, sine, cosine, or tan? Which one did you choose? Tan, very good. Tan 68 equals, be careful, opposite over adjacent. Jeanette, multiply or divide. I almost said add or subtract. Multiply or divide. Denominator divide. Very good. 19 divided by tan 68. Ava, final answer?
7.7.
Thank you, Kenneth. 7.7. Didn't know you changed your name. Awesome.
It's your house. Oh. Okay.
Round to the nearest whole number because you're finding an angle.
I have no idea what.
Yes, very good. Ava, X is trapped in the sine function. He's trapped. How do you untrap him? What's the opposite of sine? Opposite of sine. Inverse sine. Inverse sine. Very good. Whole number. With angles, we do whole numbers. Very good. Very good. I graded your trig assessments. Those are in the grade book. Very good. Very good. Most of you did really well.
Is this right?
To the nearest whole number, but yeah. Yep. Can I move on? Second sine. Second sine. We're not going to do that one. Draw a picture, please. Ava, I can see you. Put it away. Draw a picture, please.
Wait, angle.
You always draw a right triangle because you know your picture is going to involve a right triangle. So start yourself with a right triangle. Oh, and Matt's solving it, and I don't even know the answer yet. Okay. I'm ready. Yes. Yay. Gonna get 100. Yes. No. Torin, where do I put 23? On the bottom because shadows fall on the ground. Very good. Because they're what? Angle of elevation always goes at the bottom. Kenneth, it always goes at the bottom. What? And the next is the height of the building. Yes, that's better, Kendall. Nasia, sine, cosine, or tan? Tan, very good. Tan 54 equals opposite over adjacent.
What are you waiting for?
You,
I already got
you two, and you two. Those were the groups I was waiting on. Paige, you had a question. What can I do for you?
Yeah. What else?
I know, because all the people talking, right?
I'm trying to blame Melissa because she lost
Hey.
her train of thought. It's childish.
No.
I was just talking.
Okay, a kite is flying at an angle of 42 degrees with the ground.
You draw a thing.
Yes, draw a thing, please.
Yeah, there's a thing on mine.
If you remember, let me know.
At an angle.
Okay.
Simulation.
Do I send it separate? Understanding? I set that up, right?
Yes.
Okay, I remember.
This stands in.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wait.
Just a second. Okay, ready. What's your
Okay,
question?
for the last question, you know, like, wasn't it asking for height? Like, where to put our X at? Because I put it on the other side of the triangle. I put it like.
You put it on the hypotenuse?
Yeah.
How high is the building? So here's the building. This is the building, the red thing.
Oh, okay.
How tall? It's like saying how tall is the building.
Okay.
This is not his height. It's height is always up, straight up and down.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright.
Thank you for asking.
I like that.
Yes. No. Yes. Yes.
I got it right.
Yes. Yes. Yes, ma'am.
No, I had it.
So you've always got a right triangle. This is your kite. That's the kite string. 70 is the kite string. Angle always goes on the ground every time. Put it on the ground every single time. No exception. Put the angle on the ground.
That's a weird.
Wait, wasn't the angle just on top last time?
No, it was at the bottom.
No, it's at the bottom.
Right here.
Kaylee, sine, cosine, or tan?
John.
Sine, very good. Sine 42 equals opposite over hypotenuse. Austin, multiply or divide? Multiply, thank you. 70 times sine 42, and you get 46.8. 46.8. So 47, if you're rounding it to the nearest meter, like it says in the directions. 47 meters. Okay. We've already done that one. Okay, so that's all we're doing on